Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can set up Webhook for email parser. So email parser is a feature by Pabbly which allows us to set up connections between our Gmail account to capture the emails which we are receiving on our Gmail account towards Pabbly Connect. So once you will capture the emails according to your requirements, you can send those emails to any other application automatically with the help of Webhook. So Webhook, as you know, acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications to transfer the data from one application towards another automatically on the happening of a specific event. Here, for setting up connections between Gmail account and Pabbly Connect, in place of Webhook, we are going to use an email hook with the help of email parser. So here I'm going to show you step by step that how we can capture the response from Gmail account towards Pabbly Connect with the help of email parser by setting up Webhook. Okay. Before moving forward on my screen, you can see that there are two windows, trigger and action. So what are these? Trigger and actions are basically the main concepts or basic principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have as many actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take email parser in our trigger in order to capture the emails from Gmail account. And for example, I want that whenever I'm going to receive a particular email related to a lead alert from my team member, then I want to add that lead in my CRM. So I'm going to add, let's say, HubSpot CRM in my action. So here we can clearly see that in our automation, action is following the command which is given by the trigger. Why? Because when the trigger happens, that means when the email is being captured from Gmail account, then only the lead is added in CRM, otherwise not. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let us start setting up the connection with email parser. Okay. For that, we have to go towards our trigger step, and our trigger application over here will be email parser. So as I told you, email parser is an amazing feature inside Pabbly which allows us to set up connection between Gmail account to capture all the email responses which we are receiving from Gmail towards here in Pabbly Connect. For that, we have received an email hook. So with the help of this email hook, we are going to set up the connection between our Gmail account and Pabbly Connect. So let's simply copy this email hook and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So I'm going to take you back towards my Gmail account, and here we have to go towards the settings section. On settings, we'll see the option of see all settings. We have to select that. And now here we have to select forwarding and POPIMAP. Now here we will see the option of add a forwarding address. So we have to select that. And now in this field, we have to paste the email hook which we have recently copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now we have to click on next. And now it is saying that forwarding mail to this particular email hook. So I'm going to click on proceed. It is saying a confirmation link has been sent to this email hook to verify the permission. So now we have to go towards Pabbly Connect and we have to verify the permission of forwarding the emails. Let's click on OK over here. We'll go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that yes, we have already received the response. So in this response, we have to move towards the body text. So this is the body text, and when we'll scroll down over here, we will see one link. So this is the URL which we have to copy from HTTPS. Okay, so this is the URL. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open it in a new tab for the confirmation. Now it is saying that please confirm forwarding mail of this particular email address to this email hook. So we have to click on confirm, as we are confirming that we want to forward the emails which we are receiving on our Gmail account on this email hook. Okay, so here the confirmation is success. Let's move back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we have to click on recapture email parser response. Okay. So now whenever we are going to receive a new email on our account, we are going to receive the response of that email in Pabbly Connect as well. So here I'm going to go back towards my Gmail account, and what I'm going to do, I will simply forward an email on this account from another account so that we can receive the response over here in Pabbly Connect. So I am composing a test email from another Gmail account to be sent to my account. Okay, the subject of this email will be text email, and I'm simply going to enter the content as this is a test mail. I'm going to click on send, and here I'm going to go back towards my Gmail account to check whether I've received the email or not. And yes, here I have received the email, but we will go and check whether we have received this same email on Pabbly Connect or not. No, we have not received any response over here up till now. So in this case, we have to perform one more step. We have to go back towards our Gmail account. We have to go back towards settings, see all settings, and once again, we have to go towards forwarding and POPIMAP. And currently here we can see that forwarding a copy of emails is not enabled over here. So we have to select enable, and then we have to click on save changes. As we have done that, now whenever an email will be received on our Gmail account, it will be also received in Pabbly Connect. So now once again, I'm going to compose another email with a particular detail of a lead. Okay. So I've selected my email address. Now I'm going to give the subject as new lead alert. So let's suppose I'm setting up this connection because I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead alert from the sales representative of my organization, then I want to add that lead as a contact in my CRM. So therefore I'm connecting email parser with my Gmail account so that I can capture all the email responses which I'm receiving. Now here I'm going to enter the email content as, so this is the content of my email. Hello, here's a new lead alert for our event management company. The details are name, email, phone number. Check this out, regards. So this is the email which my team member is going to send me every time he is going to receive a new lead. Okay, so I'm going to send this email and let's go towards my email address and we will check whether we have received the email or not. Yes, here we have received the email with all the details. So let's go and check whether the same email is received as a response in Pabbly Connect or not. So we will wait for a few seconds and yes, here we have received the response. So when we will scroll down here, we can see that this is our body text. So this is the email content which we have received. Hello, here is a new lead alert for our event management company. The details are name, dummy lead, email address and the phone number. So these are the same details. Okay, this means that our connection is successful. So now whenever we are going to receive a new email on our Gmail account, that email will be forwarded over here in Pabbly Connect. But here is one problem, that we are going to receive multiple emails the entire day on our account. So we do not want to run our workflow for each and every, so of course we do not want to run this workflow for each and every email. Okay, so for whichever reason you are setting up this connection, you can set a condition that only if the emails will be received according to that condition, then only you want to run this workflow further, otherwise you want to stop it over here. So how we can apply that condition? By applying filter after the trigger step. So here you will simply select filter and you can select specific conditions over here by using filter, that on the fulfilling of that condition only you want to run the workflow further, otherwise not. So here our action event will be filter values. We'll simply click on connect and here we can see that it is connected. So now we have to select our label, a filter type and value to set a condition. For whichever reason you are setting up the workflow, you can set the conditions according to that condition. You can set your conditions according to that reason. For example, here I am setting up this connection with my Gmail account and Pabbly Connect so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead alert by my sales representative, then I want to receive the response and then the workflow should be continued because I want to add the lead in my CRM then. Okay, so for that I can select the label related to the subject, because every time I'm going to receive a new email which contains a subject such as new lead alert or new lead, then the conditions are fulfilled. Okay, so here I'm going to select the label from my previous response. When I'm going to search for subject over here, it has redirected us towards the subject which we have received. So I'm going to simply select this subject as a label. As we have selected it from our previous response, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response now it is going to be replaced. So now whenever we are going to receive a new email and it will be forwarded over here, automatically the subject is going to be replaced with that new subject, and in this way we are going to match the condition. If the value which we are going to enter will match the label, then the workflow is going to continue, otherwise not. Here, I'm going to select the filter type as contain. When the subject of my email will contains new lead alert, then I want to run this workflow, otherwise not. Okay, so let's check whether the condition is true or false. And yes, our condition is true. But in case if the condition will not fulfill, then the workflow is going to stop over here. So according to your requirements, you can add your filter conditions. You can also add more than one condition, okay? And both the conditions could be mandatory. And you can also go for or condition, that either of the condition should be followed, okay? For example, if you want that either the subject should contain lead alert or it should be sent by the team member, then the workflow should continue. And if you're adding and condition, then you can set the condition that only if the subject will contain new lead alert and the email is sent by the sales representative, then only you want to continue the workflow, otherwise not. So in this way, you can add different kind of conditions in your workflow. So these were the steps that how we can set up a connection between email parser and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. Basically, we are using email hook over here to set up a connection between our Gmail account and Pabbly Connect, so that whenever we are going to receive a new email, it will be automatically forwarded in Pabbly Connect, and by using appropriate conditions, then we can forward that email to any other application automatically. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.